Hello, citizens of YouTube. This is the Geeky Nerd here, and today we're going to be talking about the Forward Controls Designs MSQ-H QD Swivel Slot Socket. Boy, it's going to be a tongue twister kind of video. But before I begin, I'd like to say a big thank you out to everyone who has liked, commented, and subscribed on the previous videos. I always appreciate it and always enjoy talking to you guys. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you enjoy this video, enjoy this type of content, please consider liking, commenting, and/or subscribing. And with the PR out the way, let's get into it. So, Forward Controls Designs that, if you guys don't know, please go check them out. Fantastic company that makes very small, kind of niche, but just very well built products. And their design philosophy, is, at least what seems right, is elegance through simplicity, simplicity through function, function above all else, right? And so what that essentially translates to is every product that they make from that I've seen, they're not going to overbuild it, make it gaudy, make it flashy. They're going to take a design that has already been proven, is there and working, refine it to the umpth degree, improve on it where possible, and then send it out, right? So there is a slight cost increase from that, but nothing substantial. And when a lot of little parts make up an AR, it makes sense to pay attention to the little parts, and they just make some fantastic items and can't recommend them enough. And this one being one of them, right? It's a QD swivel socket. QD swivel socket is a QD swivel socket, but this one is a little special in the fact that it's made differently, machined differently, and a bit heavy, right? So getting into it here, just popping it open, dropping it out, right? Here's the QD socket, and I'll compare them here in just a second. We can't see it has a nice little Cygnus logo that they call like the duck, because someone miscalled it a duck, right? But nice fasteners, anti-rotation, right? You can't see inside there, but the machining on every single part I've ever got from them is just exceptional. It's definitely it's all these type of parts, right, are mass produced, but this is mass produced with care. Is what I would say. Trademarked by the Geeky Nerd. Can't use that, right? But again, just like seeing those little scallops kind of cut inside, and just this being very well overbuilt. This is also not made from aluminum. It's not made from El Cheapo steel, right? It's made from 4140 steel. So it's going to be a thicker, heavier, but more durable part. Now, does that make sense in the grand scheme of things? You may be the judge. Is that when you have your gun hanging from here via its QD, what's going to fail? Is it going to be the socket? Is it going to be the sling? Is it going to be whatever, right? This just removes one thing that could potentially go wrong with it. And getting something for comparison here. So here I have all my saltwater arms. I have, if I can get it into focus here, you can't see I have just a Magpul, right? It's Magpul QD. You can't see, again, it's just a bit more beefy, around, a little bit less material removed, to just kind of brace that socket a bit more. Again, made from a bit of a different steel. The bolts are a little less shallow. It's a little less cut, right? Again, it does have those cuts inside the Magpul, but you can see they haven't gone every single possible rotation, where on the Forward Controls Designs they have, right? They take that little extra step. And just like I said in the very beginning of the video, it is every single little piece is just refined. It is not redesigned. And so here is a Fortis manufacturing one on my Benelli. The camera will focus. Sorry, it's a little hard. Sorry, it's hard to hold the shotgun in the shot. You can see here the Fortis is very nice, right? But again, it is just made a lot more beefier with the Forward Control Designs. The Fortis one as well does have that, like, that little dimpling. Sorry, I can't get in focus here, but it does have that little dimpling on the side or inside. So the Fortis, I'd say, is a step above the Magpul, as far as going there. And so if the Magpul is the bottom end, which is not a bad place to be for, because it's a Magpul. Sorry, hit the tripod. And if the Fortis is the mid ground, this is definitely the top tier one. So yeah, just wanted to kind of talk about this part. And this part is going into a larger build of the ultimate suppressed AR, tucked AR build. So I handpicked every single part that is in that build, and this is one of them. So that's why we're doing a video, because every part matters in an AR system. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider liking, commenting, and/or subscribing. Let me know down in the comments if you guys like Forward Control Designs, if you guys have used them before, or if you think QD socket's QD socket. But with that, I hope everyone's having a wonderful, awesome, fantastic day, and I'll catch you guys next time. See you guys.